Take a 3-panel blank greeting card and print. You can print on all the panels of the card. The bulk of the module is going to go into the center section. You can record your message by pressing the red button and a light will come on. Merry Christmas! And then you're going to peel the module. Align the 2 little notches with the fold of the card. And then when you test it by opening the cover, it should play your message. For the 3rd panel, you're going to use glue stick or rubber cement and just secure the paper around the module. And once that dries, it will stay. And there you have it.